membership at holylessons.com for access to this complete tutorial and many more today.
Yeah, hi guys. So Holy Lessons coming at you once again. It's another beautiful, exciting week. Song for today is Waymaker. Great worship song by all standards. So we'll get into it right away. Pretty simple song today. So song is in the key of A major. Okay, so just like we already do, we'll take our major scale in the key of A major. So we have our 1, R2, R3, R4, R5, R6, R7, and R1. Okay, so I'll quickly go again. So we have R1, R2, R3, R4, R5, R6, R7, and then R1. Okay, really straightforward. So I'll quickly play the intro, and then of course we'll break it down, and then we'll move to the chorus section of the song, and then basically the end of the song. Okay, so song starts off like this.